this is gospel.
Afro gospel.
Because you know, we can't gospel. But you wait, you must say me, mommy. Now this is gospel. Who's here the Afro? No, and infused. Big of yourself, big man.
Thank you.
Akwaba.
Yeah.
The UK one I did award in the boom side. Oh. But how was it feeling like, say, the whole UK when you bought about say best gospel song of the year?
It was unexpected. Yeah, I expect to cry, but the feeling was euphoric. Yeah. Japan.
I like your style.
Thank you.
Your fashion style.
Thank you.
Let's appreciate the model to two season. Wait, I mean, no. Give me 360, man. Give me 360. You're looking dope, innit?
Thank you.
No. That's it, man.
Yeah, for
good. And you know, in about 60 seconds, so be sure.
Yeah.
Who is Matthew? Aside being a gospel musician, introduce yourself.
So Joseph Matthew, apart from being an Afro gospel artist, I mean, music is a talent. I'm a child born into a musical family, and as we were growing up, I mean, we were made to pick up musical instruments, and so we grew up with the music.
Okay.
I mean, apart from that, I work. I am.
My name is see ice name na name, but
Anani.
I don't TV na name.
I say.
I was a corner line. Yeah, what do you know?
I mean, London na me wo.
Okay.
But it's say an episode about few more time, so that we can come and push the work in the
okay, and so far buy system net to say we share beboa.
I want to say na me because Afro gospel and you know I go back to my roots to take from old classics.
Okay.
And then bring it back.
No, I can't boom near
there. Can't boom near far.
Yes, I.
At the self-fulfill, no, it's a bunch of
crab, there are crowd is good doing our guide. Ain't no Ghana, ha, why now share any say. In the
gospel scene, Empress is one.
Okay.
I'm not just gospel because I don't want to be limited to just gospel.
Okay.
And Inyashata, big up.
Now, on pay emoji.
I'm open. I'm
man list to be my boss betting me.
I connect.
Well, be Kofi Ampedu.
Oh, Emra Economy Management. MOG was one of the names.
I made sure say, me man list am Peduna be we point an here from.
No problem.
Open no.
Oh yeah.
Me man emoji.
I no doubt.
Empress gift you crown so there woto. No co nice, no co connection.
Yeah.
We
no doubt. Yeah.
See that's it. That's it. Now new project by now Brahma Show by.
No, we just into the entire cry. We just finished shooting the music video.
Okay.
And last week's a virtual concert.
Okay.
We're just waiting for us in the production. Yeah.
Video no na ready at the
background. I nyambo.
Anyway, my freestyle to be. Hey, now what drip say we show to the back. What for UK pan? What the back?
Into people freestyle.
Let me freestyle of your song. Yes, please. Your new song.
Where you see me, know that my God is with me. Fear no man, oh man. I fear no evil. Chai, I no fear nobody. If you say when I bobrim is with me. No man, no. I fear no man, no.
Hey, chai.
Yeah, no evil.
Hey.
Via no man.
Oh, mommy, I say vibes.
Yes, a mixture and a rap. So
I say vibes. Into no, yeah, who check our social media handles. Abobo, am
Joseph Matthew UK. All media platforms.
Instagram, TikTok, Thread, Facebook,
Joseph Matthew
X.
UK, and one baby.
Joseph Matthew UK. Yeah, that's it.
Thank you.
Or buy it. And to final words to fans, loved ones. New bisa
I think that we know we're different and we know we're unique. In Timunya Abuchema, get time to soak in the music and keep supporting us and showing the love. Yeah. That's all.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thanks for coming. Keep dripping, man. Keep singing for the Lord. It's Joseph Matthew, I don't know about 101 real quick. And you're the hey Anna. Just got Joseph here. I'm trying to, go straight to the United Kingdom. Nungwa Beyonce is at the makeup department. She just did my makeup for me in it. Pedro Nijidi. Me you say nanka was stamp person. I didn't go for crab which I was gonna make that in Casa Fabrics for us say. One way about fabrics here the palm suit. Fabrics here the wedding. Bibi bia wo pe bia no. Ye the palm kaftan agbada ni nyina no. Ubenya wo en Casa Fabrics or more Accra. Me patch more assorted fabrics which is Massimo, cashmere, big lomo. Italian linen, British tailor, Paradise, ne de keka ho. Fabrics bia part of the enkasa ena obehono. Omo Accra, opposite Methodist Bookshop, shop number C403. Make sure Frank Kasa Fabrics 0243 422591 and that's 027 670 9070. Facebook, Instagram, ningina ye enkasa Fabrics. Na unim se Franco Trading Enterprise today. Nya fe na mebebo ho de racho. Abi you know dada. Sani Ekano Franco say be no dada because phone papa pan fee princess and Franco at the television saba omo the air condition saba na ne pa de me to ama on say Nokia phones say ade hwan de name mum ko Franco Trading Enterprise obenya bi e wo Samsung iPhones smart TV CD free 32 inches equals 55 inches no Franco omo tabletop freezers just say omo air conditions Franco air condition no if 1.5 horsepower 2.0 horsepower ningina ho mo CCTV cameras ngina e wo ho CCTV nei wo de obeja ni pakra na yem hyehye ko CCTV ni bi camera no eto e wo Franco Trading connect my phone almost sa ton phones wo to camera na to phone e ka bom wo adwuma mo wo ba bia na wo hwe oba no sene ne ho te e wo fie me ba cho wo memfa Franco number bia wo Google hyane nso enei aboneyefo no adoso omo hwia yen onkono mashada ke kanya mabum enko Google emfa Franco number bia e wo ho ne mom fe Franco e wo 0246 423 2338 and I say 055 593 9311 and I download the Franco Trading app no ewo Google Play Store honum and I visit your websites www.francotrading.com. Franco Trading Enterprise still fun pa efie. Well be Kofi Ampedu me director minister keep singing for the Lord and Rami who send akoto nyumo makers hono and it was just beautiful to watch. Se be no akara what I say nyame de wo ye adwuma ye tifie kwa na kai me tie nyum na Ampedu na me kondra sorry na aboten oh enti ama mpoma nso ye me producer ama ampoma producer Thomas wa ha AUCC wa ha Thomas wo inside Madam Katru wo Kelvin nana omodo so ye pa aboafo no eyemo nungwa Beyonce e makeup department. I'm the guys queen nyame adoma ukuada yebehia efiada yebehia but throughout the week no mo afidie no emfree ha Adom TV je wa adio you share mo koma fabum balls